This is a 1953 Olympia SM3 DeLuxe. It has been fully restored with new platinum rubber, and it is ready to type. The type is an Olympia standard 11 characters per inch. This machine has the dark green keys. There's new rubber on the platen. And the finish has been repainted a very light gray. And it's not perfect, but it does look very good. There are some spots where you can see scratches maybe under the paint. This is probably the most noticeable one. I don't know if this will show up on the camera or not, but you can kind of see where there was a chip in the paint that had been painted over. But you have to look pretty close to see it. It types really well. The tag on the back is a little unusual. Usually it's right here. It's a little bit different than most of them. This machine also comes with a reprinted user's manual and one extra brand new ribbon. It has a new ribbon installed. You also get an extra ribbon. And we also have the original case, which is in fair condition, but it does show a lot of wear. The latch has been replaced, and there's bare spots on it. And areas where it's faded. But it is clean and it is solid. And it does latch well. That's for the 1953 Olympia SM3 DeLuxe.